Hello, today I'm going to show you another unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the ZMBTCY Apple MFi Certified 20 watt iPhone charger with iPhone charging cable. It's a pack of 3 of them. That means 3 times USB-C power supply charging plug with 3 times 2-meter iPhone lightning cable, which is compatible with the iPhone 14, 13, 12, 11, XR, X, and 8 series out of the box. Of course, you can reload if you use another cable, an USB-C cable for example, to USB-C cable, you can recharge all other devices with that too. Or an USB-C to USB-A cable it's effective too, as you can see. We have here a cost-effective package. The purchasing this travel pack allows us to charge our devices flexible at a very attractive price. Distribute the charger in different rooms so that we can enjoy for the whole family, always supplied with sufficient battery power. And it's a perfect compatibility. This charger are perfectly suitable for a wide range of devices charged via the USB-C cable, including the latest models such as the iPhone 14, 14 Pro, 13, 13 Mini, 13 Pro, 13 Pro Max, 12 Mini, 12 Pro, 12 Pro Max, SE, 11 Pro, 11 Pro Max, XS, Max, XSR, XR, X8P, iPad, and many more. And there is a safe charging technology behind this. Thanks to the intelligent IC design, the USB-C charging plug automatically detects the optimal charging voltage and provides the perfect charging current for our devices. An integrated protection device ensures that our devices are protected from excessive current, overheating, and overcharging. Charging will automatically stop once the battery is full charged. And practical fast charging. This 2-meter iPhone charging cable are made of high purity copper core and reinforced connection design, which has successfully passed more than 15,000 bending tests. The durability of this cable is 3 times that of the conventional models out there. Thanks to the generous length of the USB-C charging cable, we can sit back and relax, whether in the bed or on a sofa while our device is charging. And it brings us so much power. It brings us power into our smartphones, for example, and with quick charge. This is a proprietary battery charging protocol developed by Qualcomm, used for managing power delivered over the USB. USB is universal serial bus, mainly by communication to the power supply and negotiations of voltage. The quick charge is supported by devices such as mobile phones, which run the Qualcomm SoCs, and by some chargers, of course. And this charger here can make this happen. Quick charge means you're really faster than a standard AC adapter can recharge this device because it can PD 20 watt. This is power delivery, baby, because we have a smart charger. The intelligent chip of the ZMBTCY charger protects the charger from many theft to save and protect our phones, for example, or our pets. And we have some high quality components. This charging cable has been tested many times, and we have a superior iPhone charging cable included. This is the original iPhone Lightning connector that provides the high charging speeds for our Lightning devices. And speed raised up 40% higher speed charging, up to 2.4 ampere maximum. This is trusted quality. We ensure the safety of our Apple device even when fast charging at the highest speed. No problem for it. And it's 6 feet long, so you can use it in a big range of possibilities. We have a 3-pack of USB iPhone charger and a 3-pack iPhone charging cable included. The material fire retardant is ABS plus PC. The total power is 25 watt. The input is from 100 up to 240 volt, 50 and 60 Hz, 0.1 ampere. And output is 5 volt, 3 ampere, 9 volt, 2.22 ampere, then 12 volt, 1.67 ampere. You see, with this device, you can recharge a lot of stuff, like our Apple Watches, Samsung Galaxy Buds, AirPods, iPad Pro, iPad Air, iPad Mini, and so on. Google Pixel, LG, Samsung, with a USB-C to USB-C cable, of course. The Samsung devices, iPhones, and so many more. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.